Hello, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a small boat on STORMWORKS in advanced mode. Part 3. Get started on the bedroom. Okay, so I'm going to add a bed, maybe a chair. I'm just going to add 2 beds. So there we go, we got the beds. We're just going to add a passenger seat right there. We're just going to add 2 passenger seats outside. There we go. You can go see how the room looks like. I'm just going to go and get up onto the ladder I built. So here's the bedroom. You got 2 beds and a chair. That should be all you need. So let's get back to building this boat. So I'm first going to add some windows here. I'm just going to add 2 windows over here. There's going to be a window over here. And another window over here. So there we go, I placed some windows down. Right here I'm just going to erase like a little area for putting in some storage. So I'm going to get a wedge, place that just make sure it's like a little like area so you can add some luggage or crates and stuff. I'm going to put on some there, and I'm just going to put in inverted pieces. There we go. I'm just going to add some wedges in here. And these are supposed to keep all the stuff that you're trying to keep on the boat, like a crate or box or people if you really wanted it to, but I mean you can carry people, I just rather put the people on the chairs. That's why there's chairs. These are more meant for like crates and boxes and medical stuff. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to just make like no like divided wall over here. So if the boat starts taking on water, there's going to be like a ton of compartments. So water can't just get in. There's going to be this little center compartment over here. Yeah, I'm just going to add a ton of compartments onto a boat. So that should be good. Time to start painting the boat. Now I'm first going to go and take some white, and I'm just going to keep that way. I'm going to take this kind of red, make sure it's in brush, and we're just going to add this part right here as red. There we go. Now I'm going to stir in the front of the boat. This is actually really quick. All we need to do is get the paint fill. Make sure we fill that. And there we go. I'm going to make the floors brown in this room. Now in this room, I'm going to take off that. I'm just going to paintbrush all of this. So we're just going to add like a checkerboard pattern. Inside of the crew area. And there we go. And I think this boat's pretty much done. There's the tsunami forming. Here it comes. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.